this question asks to find the tangent to C at the point Q, where it's parallel to the line with equation 2x minus 3y plus 18 equals 0. We want to find the coordinates of Q. Worth mentioning that in part A, we worked out the gradient function of the curve C to be 2 minus 4 over root x, and we will be using that at some point in this question. Okay, so if the point Q is on a tangent and it's parallel to the line with that equation, that means the gradients for both the equation 2x minus 3y plus 18 equals 0 and the tangent to C will be equal. So we're looking for equal gradients. So what we've got to work with is this equation that we've been given. So if we rearrange it in the form of y equals mx plus c, we'll be able to work out what the gradient is. So let's start off with 2x minus 3y plus 18 equals 0. I'm going to do a little bit of rearranging and multiplying everything by minus 1, and it will then appear in this form here. Okay. And then divide everything by 3. Okay. That is the rearranged equation of that particular line. The bit that we care about is the gradient, which is 2/3. So we know the tangent has a gradient of 2/3. Okay. So the next thing we want to try and find out is we can find out the x coordinate of Q using what we had from part A, the gradient function. We know the gradient equals 2/3, so we're going to substitute that in. So when dy by dx equals 2/3, equals 2 minus 4 over root x. Right. Okay. So it's looking a little bit ugly at the moment. Let's get rid of that fraction there. If we multiply everything by 3, it just means that we've got something a little easier to deal with. I am going to subtract 6. I'm going to multiply everything by minus 1, just to get everything positive. And now multiply by root x. Divide by 4. So root x equals 3. Square both sides. X is 9. So our x coordinate is 9. Now we've got that, we can substitute it back into the original equation. So the original equation was y equals 2x minus 8 root x plus 5. So when x equals 9, y equals 2 lots of 9 minus 8 lots of root 9 plus 5. Tidy all that up. and y equals -1. Therefore, the coordinates of Q are 9 - 1.